it's not an easy journey. It's not an easy journey. You're going through like a lot. You're going through a lot of phases. You just started, maybe just started web design or something like that. The first one which I'm going to talk about, I'm just going to talk about for me and be real for my side. What is going on, like, is trying to get clients. All right, trying to get clients is the main part on web designing. If you're just coming to the web design space, is you need to like build your foundation. You need to build your foundation. So for now, I'm going to say like I'm just in that phase of setting up foundation. All right, the foundation level, cause you don't just come, and I know it takes time. I know it takes time to build something, because you are not just going to come in the space and you just expect like to get extraordinary results. All right, which you just get results already. You see, I know you have to work, towards it. So if you're just coming to the web design space and maybe you're just new in this field, I'm going to tell you like getting clients is the main thing. All right, getting clients is the main thing, and it's not an easy road, because you need to build systems. You need to learn how to market yourself. All right, it's not just about building learning how to build websites or something like that. The main part of any business is the market. All right, how to market yourself, that's the main part. That's the main part that matters. All right, because if you can't market yourself, then how are you going to make money or something like that? So it got me thinking, like it had me like I never expected this, how it's going to go or something like that, cause I needed to learn about my skill. I needed to improve my skill, and on the other hand, I needed to learn also as well how to market my skill. You see, it's just like you learn how to improve your skill. Yeah, you come to a web designer. You know how to create good website. You know how to create website, high quality animation, all those stuff like that. But the main part and the final step is how to market yourself. Right, it's marketing yourself. Because if you do all that stuff, if you do all the web design stuff, if you do all that, and you can't market your services out there to businesses or individuals, then you're not going to make any money. All right, so this got me thinking like what I've been working on lately. I just niched down to like offering my web design service to landscapers. Right now, I don't want to only build website, but I want to help the websites I build, let them generate leads. All right, let them generate traffic. Meaning, if you're booking my service for, maybe if I'm offering service for landscapers, I know how to drive traffic to the landscaper website. You see what I'm talking about? So it's not just about building landing pages or building website pages or something like that. All right, when things are evolving. All right, things are evolving, and so I had to evolve myself as well, and that's what I advise you to do as well. Because if you can offer an extraordinary service and solve a problem, that's when you're going to get people hitting you up. That's when you're going to get clients. Because there are a lot of web designers out there. All right, but what makes you stand out from the others? You see, if that's what got me thinking, like if I can create a good website and I can be able to let the website get traffic and bring leads to the business, then that's something outstanding. If I can just do that. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm working on how to help landscapers, the website I build for landscapers, let them generate leads and traffic or something like that. So I'm going to advise you to do same. If you're coming into the web design space trying to get clients, you're going to send cold DMs, cold emails. I've sent over 100 of cold emails. All right, if I'm counting over 100, and maybe cold DM on Instagram, I've texted a lot of landscapers. So I just think it got me thinking like I need to pause for a second and I need to build up myself. Right, I need to build up my services more to solve problems. Because if I can get someone and I help them get leads and traffic or all those stuff, getting the business going. All right, because the main part of you creating a website is to help the business to grow. So if you just build a website and the website just sitting there, no traffic, nothing, that's not like helping the business grow. And I guess that's why a lot of businesses don't want to book web designer services. All right, because it's just it's just a standing page, nothing is going on there. All right, business want to scale up, they want to grow, they want to make money, and they want to get income, profits, and all those stuff. So they need traffic to their website. So that's why I'm making this video. Like, what no one tell you about what no one tell you about web design is far more than just creating websites. All right, if you know how to create websites already and you can create websites, that is fine. The next step for you to do now is to learn how to market yourself. So that's what I'll recommend. Try to learn how to market yourself, and yeah, you'll be an outstanding web designer. All right, if you like this type of content, man, I'll be dropping more videos. Subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this. Thank you. I love you. Stay blessed.